All right, in this video, I want to dive into some past results, specifically how the bot performed over an entire year. These are live statistics from my actual account, showing you exactly how the bot operates in real time. Let's be honest, back tests aren't always dependable or realistic. The most reliable data comes from watching a bot navigate the live market day after day, seeing how it reacts to every single movement, every pump, and every dump. Testing in a live environment is 1,000 times better than any simulation. Take a look at this Excel file. I've logged every single data point here, the pairs, the capital, everything. In this specific case, the bots were running with $7,000. I started tracking everything in January, and by February, we had our first full month of results. If you look at the stats, you can see the profit generated through the power of compounding. Now, you'll notice that the commission fees are quite high. That's simply because the bot is a scalper. It catches every tiny price fluctuation to generate profit, which means the volume of trades is massive. But here's the thing. Even with high fees, the bot's mathematical logic is built in a way that it simply cannot end up in a loss. In fact, the only way for this bot to lose money is if you manually intervene. If you start changing processes, overriding orders, or messing with the core logic, that's when problems happen. Left to itself, the bot is mathematically precise. And over a year of running this, we haven't seen a single logic error. It's a systematic approach that follows the rules perfectly every single time. Of course, well, there are always risks in trading, but the bot manages them automatically. Scalping requires paying a lot in commissions, but the profit margin is always high enough to keep the overall balance in the green. Ultimately, it closes trades so that the net profit always stays above the fees. Now, let's look at the monthly breakdown. From February all the way to December, you can see the full picture. I didn't withdraw any profits during this time. The bot traded systematically, keeping the earnings on the balance to reinvest them. This is the compound principle, where the bot uses the earned profit along with the initial capital to trade larger sizes. I wanted to see the growth progression, and as you can see, the profit increases steadily and progressively month after month. These are the numbers from my live account. You can see the different pairs here as well. Some pairs are more profitable, some have lower fees. It all depends on the specific strategy and parameters assigned to each asset. After seeing these results, I decided to launch a public challenge on YouTube. On January 21st, I started a new account with $100,000. I put this bot out there in public so everyone could see exactly how it works. I've been posting weekly and monthly reports, and we are already 2 months into the challenge. In the first month, the bot made $8,355. In the second month, the net profit was $7,244. It was a bit lower because volatility wasn't as high, but still, the total profit for those 2 months stands at $15,672. I'm also sharing the Telegram alerts and these Excel files so you can see the full picture, even though it's only been 2 months. I plan to keep this challenge going. I'm confident the bot will keep stacking more profits because as the balance grows, the order sizes grow with it. The main thing the bot needs is high volatility. That's when scalping really shines. I just checked the latest numbers, and the total profit has already cleared $16,000. You can see all the details right here in the video, the balance, the positions, the number of orders. Everything is synchronized with the exchange in real time. This challenge is going to continue, and I'll keep posting these video reports. I'll provide regular updates so we can see exactly how much this strategy can generate in the long run. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.